Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to add a comment on Reddit. So let's get started. Well, the first thing for you to interact with the Reddit community is to log in into your profile. I've already logged in to my Reddit account using my provided username and password. And in this case, we want to see how to add comments. I'll scan through the different posts that have been created by different users. Now on my timeline, there are quite a number of posts that have been placed in here. If I find one that I like, for example, what is wrong with my book as a post, and I would want to add a comment in this, the first thing I'll want to do is to click so I can see the whole content behind that post. And just a hint, always click on the post to reveal all the content so that when you're commenting, you already understand the context of whoever was posting. So in this case, I have clicked on my post and this is how it looks like, and I have read through to understand the context so that I can answer or write a comment that is relevant to the post. So in this case, under the post, we have these buttons that are provided. I can upvote and undervote. I can also do the comment among many others. In this video, I'll restrict myself to adding comment. So on this comment icon, I'll click on that to show all the other comments that have been entered, and I can read through. And if I scroll down, there are more and more comments until the very first one. 1 day ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, and you can tell when they were posted. This is 1 day ago too. For me to add a comment, once I click on the comment icon, I have the add a comment section here. So in here, I'll type in my sample comment. Once I'm done, I'll click on comment. And now, my comment is posted up here with one upvote from myself. Well, an overview of what we have done in adding a comment in Reddit. You'll first navigate into your timeline and find a post of your choice. Second, click on that post to make sure that you understand the context. Click on the comment option and type in your comment. Once you type in, click on the comment to ensure that it has been posted. You can also reply on other people's comments, and that also goes a long way. Now you know. That is how you add a comment on Reddit. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.